Oh, okay, I had to take care of something real quick there. So when the screws came out, I was putting it down. So just kind of hold it here. Try this again because you're trying to position it. The screws go through there, and it goes down onto the. It gets seated in the with that gasket. Gets seated in the hole there. So I'm thinking. Just trying to see here is. Okay. I guess it's on there. It's pretty. So then we're just going to tighten it down. So I really can't. I guess it's in there. It feels like it's seated in there. So I'm gonna go ahead and put a washer on the bottom part, and then put the nut on and just cinch it down a little bit on this side, a little bit on the other side with the bolts, and until it seems like it's about even and not really moving. So I don't think you guys really need to watch me doing that, probably. Just a simple matter of putting the washer on. Putting a bolt on, and it doesn't, like I said, no instructions with this toilet. Big box store, forgot to check the toilet when it came back. No instructions, so, but I'm pretty sure, yeah. Just go ahead and put a washer on there, and then cinch it down with a nut. And should be good to go. So yeah, I'm gonna do that to either side. Don't really think you need to watch me do that. So I'm gonna get that done and we'll be right back.